you forget, say I get lost. By the end of the night, if I had no pressure, I want to flex my love. I want to press it. I want to carry my love to the place she loves. I'm my baby. I want to press it. I want to carry my love to the place.
Welcome back to my vlog. How are you guys doing, guys? Thank you so much for coming back to watch my video. In that intro, I said let me just use it, you know, to welcome you guys in this beautiful vlog. I know that you guys don't even know that Messi here know how to dance. Yes, so I can rock it, eh? So that is by the way. Today's vlog is kind of book cooking because we'll be having some visitors here. I'll be hosting some of our friends here. I'm going to be showing you everything that I'm going to be cooking. It's already late, like I need to be fast before they start coming. Let me show you guys what I'll be cooking today, and then we'll start cooking. The meat I'll be using to cook. Anyway, this goat meat I'll be dividing it into tray because I'll be cooking jollof rice. I will use this turkey with the some goat meat to cook jollof rice. I'll be using this shaki, the chicken, and then this is some parts of the goat meat. This is a kidney, liver, and then I'll be using some of the goat meat as well. I'll be doing puff puff as well. That is everything that I will be cooking today, and you guys have to cook with me, okay? So stay tuned and then enjoy the vlog. Here is the goat meat, shaki, and the spices, onions. So I'll be cooking this pepper soup outside. I want this you know, goat meat and the shaki is a little bit hard, so I'll first cook it like some minutes, like 5 to 7 minutes, before I should go ahead and then put this chicken, because chicken is a hard chicken, but you know I cut it into smaller pieces. It's to be the next that I will put. Then after the liver and kidney is the last I will be putting, because they are not that hard to cook. So I'll be cooking it outside in order to save some light, guys. You know, things are really expensive now. The weather is not that cold anyway, so I'll be cooking it outside. So let's go outside, guys, okay? And the soup and other things, definitely I'll be cooking it inside here. Guys, I'm done cooking. Yes, now I'm ready to receive my visitors. Look at this jollof rice. It looks so yummy, guys. It tastes yummy, like, because I have tested it. It's really delicious. And this is ora soup, guys. So yummy as well, because most of the people that are coming here, they are Igbo, so they love swallow. That's why I make sure that at least I cook one pot of soup. And this is the ora soup. So in here is our pepper soup. Our pepper soup, guys. This pepper soup, all the meat is in here, both chicken, both shaki, both goat meat, both roundabout, everything is in here in this pepper soup. And then I fried the puff puff, guys. Look at how this puff puff looks like. And this is our fried turkey as well as fried goat meat. And I did salad, guys. I have not mixed it, so when my visitors come, then I will mix it with a salad dressing. Yeah. And then here is a paprika, onions, if anyone wants to use it to eat the fried chicken or turkey. These are all the food, guys. I think I really tried. Honestly, I tried. So right now I'll go ahead and get myself ready. Yeah, I'll see you guys later. Okay. So guys, this is Bailey. Like, when I was pregnant with Ugona, this is what I was craving for, honestly. Despite that I don't drink alcohol. So this night, my husband brought one. I'm going to test it. I'm not going to take like much because just a little bit, my eyes have already started turning. So I'm going to be careful. People should come and join us, okay?
Yeah.
What is my own that I keep here now?
My shirt.
I don't know.
Dressing.
The
People should bring it. We're gonna. How much the uncle give to you? 20 euros. Look at the gunna. Uncle give Ugonna 20 euros. And my own is 40 euros. Okay, how much did uncle give to you? Let's say how much did uncle give to you?
20.
And the David?
10.
Woo! Oh, well,